Hello, body fangs, and welcome to the push. Guys, you know there's some sounds in the world there that just gives you bloody chicken meat. Yeah, it sounds like Dalton. Yeah, it's whiskey to my soul.
You're like whiskey to my soul.
And then some things are just unavoidable, okay. Want 'n blou bil eet nie van die vloer af nie. Genade, it makes me somewhere so excited. Ek voel soos 'n klein rooikop laaitjie met sproete in 'n sweet shop. It's like going back west. Well, the 7th of November, we are going back west. The Going Back West concert at Dalton Raceway with Steve Hofmeyer, Rowan Ash, Cordelia to name but a few, stalletjies, lekker kuier, lekker music, lekker vibes, and a huge bloody beer tent. Make sure you get your tickets at Open Tickets. I'll see you there. Okay, thanks. Yeah.